Back when I was a kid, I used to love to play with those little bricks. It's so easy to be creative and build complete worlds fast and easy, brick by brick by brick. Now in my professional career, I also love simple solutions to achieve my set goals. That even a functional safety integration can be done easy and quick with the Ixxat T100 module, like building a little house with these bricks. And I'm going to show you in this video how this is done. Hey everyone, I'm Toby and today we will show you a quick overview on the safety integration into TIA. Basically, you can integrate every safety device, but we will use our Ixxat T100. It's a TÜV pre-certified, easily integratable safe I/O module, able to perform safety operations up to SIL 3 or performance level E category 4. The individually applicable T100 and Anybus Compact COM can realize, for example, a safe stop of drives or mobile machines by using the standard mechanisms of the PLC engineering tools. And I will show you in a few steps how to do this. First of all, we need a T100. It's available as ProfiSafe, CRP Safety and recently also as FSOE version. In our example, we want to connect to a Siemens PLC, so we are using the ProfiSafe version. To get a connection via a standard field bus to said PLC, we will need a Compact COM module to handle the black channel communication. In this case, in a Profinet version. And also, of course, we will need a safe PLC to act as safety master in our system. In our example, we are using a Siemens S1500 FPLC. One final part we will need to get the safety communication up and running is a host CPU. This is needed to start up the Compact COM and enable the T100 black channel communication. If you don't have a suitable host available, you can use our T100 development kit over here that you can order from our website. I will put the link in the description below. Now let me show you how to start the integration into TIA in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Integration of the T100 and Compact COM into your device. The integration of the pre-certified T100 and Compact COM into your device for the individual realization of a safe I/O function within your device is also as simple as Lego, but we will explain that another time. As an example of a T100 integration, we will use the T100 development kit, which realizes the functions of a safe I/O module. Step 2. Import the GSDML file into the TIA project. To use the functions of the T100 via the Fieldbus protocol, both the Compact COM and the T100 must be integrated and configured in the engineering tool of the PSC. To make the T100 and Compact COM known to the controller, the device description file must be first imported into the corresponding PLC project. Step 3. Configuration of the safe I/O parameters of the T100 using TIA, depending on the safe input or output devices connected locally to the T100. The parameters of the T100 safe I/Os must be adapted. For example, the number of safe inputs and outputs used and the filter times for signal preprocessing can be set here. In addition, the safe device address and the necessary safety checksums are set here, which are absolutely necessary for transmission via ProfiSafe. Step 4. Link the safe inputs and outputs in the safety program. Now that the T100 has been successfully integrated in the engineering tool, the safe inputs and outputs can be linked accordingly in the safety PLC program. In our example, the safe input signal of the T100 is linked to the safe stop or STO of a drive. Step number 5. Translate and download the safety program. In this step, the entire safety program is checked and translated so that it can later be transferred to the real controller, to which I have in the meantime connected the T100 development kit via an Ethernet cable. The tension is rising. Can it really be that easy to implement a safety function? Step number 6. Starting the safety program and activating the emergency stop to check the STO function of the drive. At the end of today's construction project, we naturally want to see if we can really stop the drive safely with the T100 and compact COM integrated earlier. For this, I start the program. Wow, did you see that? This was really easy. So let's do a quick recap of the most important steps when realizing a safety integration with our T100 into TIA. First, use the T100 development kit. Second, import the GSDML file into the TIA project. Third, configuration of the safe I/O parameters of the T100 using TIA. 4. Link the safe inputs and outputs in the safety program. 5. Translate and download the safety program. 6. Starting the safety program and test your functions. As you can see, the integration is as easy as building a model with Legos, right? So I really hope you like this little exercise and stay tuned for more videos about safety integration. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a comment and a like. See you and goodbye.